Congressman Roy Lawrence. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng stage sheets na photo booth na meron tayo dyan sa likod, which you can avail makakuha ng picture as official souvenir ninyo para sa ating mass induction. Kaya parapakan natin muli si Congressman Roy Lawrence. Thank you very much. As of the moment,